they have a freight and large cargo. This activity is for goods that are too big or too heavy for a normal parcel delivery.
So United Parcel Service, known
They
as
use it
UPS, is one of
for
the
deliver a machine,
largest
bulk
and
materials,
recognizable
industrial
package
equipment, and
delivery
also
and
large
supply chain
order.
management company.
So, how they choose a route? They choose it by searching the best
1907,
routes
and the
that can
founders
reduce
are
costs,
James
express
Casey
delivery, and
Claudia
also
Allen.
save if they
So
use
the
the
original
routes.
name of UPS is American
They have a
Messenger
three
Company,
method transport.
and
For a
this
truck,
company is
they have
located at
FTL,
Seattle,
that's mean
Washington,
full truck
USA.
load. It's
So
for
the
one
route
truck for one
started
customer
with
shipment.
the door
Next,
message
they have
delivery,
LTL,
small
means
parcel
less than
service
truck
using
load.
cycle and
It
foot.
means several
I'm gonna
customers
explain
share
about
for
the
a
history
one
of
truck.
UPS.
Second, they have air freight.
1907 is
Air
the
freight
beginning,
used by
James Casey founded
emergency
the
or
American
urgent
Messenger
delivery
Company
like
at
a
the age of
medical
19.
care package.
After
Third,
that,
they have
in
ocean
1913,
freight.
there's
Ocean
an
freight
expansion into
is for
package delivery,
shipment to the
where
other
the company
country.
shifted message delivery
So
to
they have
retail
two.
package
FCL
delivery,
is
and
full
it also
for
introduced
a few container
motorcycle
loads. That's
deliveries
mean one
and
container
Model
for
T
one
for
customer.
vehicles.
LCL is
In
for less than
1919,
container
the
load.
name changes,
Customer shares a
where
one
the
container.
company expanded
So
to
for a
Oakland,
large item, they
California,
use
and
equipment like
officially
a heavy
adopted the name
trailer
as
or a
United
special
Parcel
containers.
Service.
For
In 1920s
for
to
UPS,
1950s,
they
there's a
also
national
can
growth,
handle on
where
preparing
it all
documents,
expanded
manage tax,
across
to make
US
sure the
and
shipments follow
consolidated
the
delivery
international rules
service,
and not
and
be
also
delayed.
adopted brown uniform and brown delivery trucks. In 1980, there's an entry into air shipping, where UPS created airlines and became one of the most largest cargo. Lastly, in 1990s, there's a global expansion, where UPS entered worldwide and establishing operation in Asia, Latin America, and also Africa. So that's all from me.
Hello everyone, I would like to present about a literature review on the role of logistics within supply chain management. First, transportation management. At UPS, transportation is the backbone of logistics, linking suppliers, warehouses, and customers. By optimizing routes with Orion, UPS reduces costs, improves delivery speed, and ensures the smooth of goods. Second, warehousing and distribution. UPS automated fulfillment centers ensure products are available when and where needed. Efficient warehousing supports inventory management, just-in-time delivery, and rapid order fulfillment, making logistics a key enabler of supply chain responsiveness. Third, supply chain visibility and IT systems. Real-time tracking and predictive analytics give UPS and its client visibility into shipments and inventory. This reduces uncertainty, supports proactive decision-making, and strengthens the supply chain by connecting logistics to operational planning. Fourth, global trade and international logistics. UPS expertise in customs, compliance, and international shipping allow companies to operate globally without delays, showing how logistics is the international dimension of the supply chain. Fifth, reverse logistics. Managing returns, recycling, and refurbishment demonstrate that logistics is not only forward moving but also essential for completing the product life cycle, support sustainability, and operational efficiency in the supply chain. 6. Supply chain consulting and integrated solutions. UPS helps business align logistics with broader supply chain strategy, showing that logistic decisions like network design or transportation planning directly impact overall supply chain performance. Seventh, last mile delivery. Efficient last mile logistics ensures timely customer deliveries, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. This final step into supply chain illustrates how logistics connects operation to the end customer experience. 8. Sustainability and green logistics. UPS investment in electric vehicles, alternative fuels, and route optimization show that sustainable logistics reduce cost and environmental impact, supporting long-term supply chain resilience. Ninth, E-commerce and omnichannel logistics. UPS adapts logistics to manage inventory and deliveries across multiple sales channels, highlighting how logistics supports modern supply chain flexibility and customer-centric service. 10th, risk management in logistics. UPS mit- mitigates risk from disruption through diversified networks and real-time monitoring, demonstrating and logistic is crucial for maintaining supply chain continuity and reliability. Next, technology and innovation. AI, robotics, and predictive analytics improve efficiency across transportation and warehousing, proving that innovative logistic and technology strengthen the supply chain's agility and competitiveness. Next, supply and customer collaboration. By coordinating with suppliers and sharing visibility with customers, UPS ensures smooth material flows and responsive operation, showing that collaborative logistics is central to integrated supply chain management. Next, performance metrics and continuous improvement. UPS monitors and delivery accuracy, warehouse throughput, and customer satisfaction using metrics to continually enhance logistic operation, which is turn improve overall supply chain efficiency. Next, integration of logistic into supply chain management. UPS aligns all logistic functions, transportation, warehousing, IT, and global trade within the supply chain strategy, proving that logistic is not isolated but a strategic enabler of supply chain management. Next, strategy initiative and global expansion. Investment in distribution centers, air hubs, and technology ensure UPS can meet global demand, showing that proactive logistic planning strengthens the supply chain scalability and responsiveness. Next, sustainability and social responsibility. Eco-friendly logistic practices like carbon reduction and recycling demonstrate the responsible logistics contribute to a sustainable and resilient supply chain. Lastly, adaptation to e-commerce and changing consumer expectation. Flexible delivery options and omnichannel inventory management illustrate the logistic drives customer satisfaction and support the supply chain in a fast-changing market. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pushi Balkis binti Wadukadi. My matrix number is A25B4575. So today I would like to talk about 5 types of logistic activity that UPS company has. First, they have a freight and large cargo. This activity is for goods that are too big or too heavy for a normal parcel delivery. They use it for deliver a machine, bulk materials, industrial equipment, and also large order. So how they choose a route? They choose it by searching the best routes that can reduce cost as per delivery and also save if they use the routes. They have a 3 method transport. For a truck, they have FTL, that's mean full truck load. It's for a 1 truck for 1 customer shipment. Next, they have LTL, means less than truckload. It means several customers share for a 1 truck. Second, they have a air freight. Air freight used by emergency or urgent delivery like a medical care package. Third, they have ocean freight. Ocean freight is for shipment to the other country. So they have 2. FCL is for a fuel container load. That means 1 container for 1 customer. LCL is for less than container load. Customer shares a 1 container. So for a large item, they use equipment like a heavy trailer or a special containers. For UPS, they also can handle on preparing documents, manage tax, to make sure the shipments follow the international rules and not be delayed. Secondly, in a specialized logistics, this means UPS can create a custom shipping method to match the specific types of goods that cannot go through a normal shipping. They have to study the product, risk, and also customer needs. They have to use the right method transport like a ocean, rail, air, or a road, and if they have to use a special handling. For example, they can custom a cold chain shipping and also a high security handling. For a healthcare, UPS also can keep items like vaccines and also medical sample in a strict temperature. It also can be low as -70 Celsius. Aerospace also rely on this activity to support their urgent aircraft needs. Luxury items also use these types to have a secure and discreet delivery so that their customer can have the items in a good condition without having some problems. Thirdly, warehousing. It run by a supply chain solution is more than just a storage. In UPS, it can manage a whole process that is receiving goods, storing them out, shipping goods, tracking inventory, and also handling return. This can turn a warehouse into an active fulfillment center that company can fully outsource. Technology that UPS use is WMS, stand for Warehouse Management System, that specialized software that used to manage and control warehouse operations. UPS used this advanced WMS technology to ensure accurate, efficient, and also real-time management of the inventory. Barcode and RFID scanning used to quickly identify and track items more accurate and efficient in inventory management. Automation means automated package that sorting system. This can sort a package more fast than the manual method and also can reduce human error. Robotic and automated guide vehicles AGV are used for picking and packing goods, automated shelving, and moving the pallets. AGV also can move a large load safely without need a driver to control it.
Hello, my name is Nivashni and I'm from Pondio Raj. My matrix number is A25A4865. So my next point is transportation. Transportation at UPS refers to the global delivery offered by UPS, which ranges from a small packages delivery to large-scale freight and supply chain solutions for businesses. UPS transportation's modes are the different ways shipments are transported, including ground, air, ocean, rail, and multimodal combination. Customers choose mode based on factors like cost, speed, and cargo type. UPS also integrates door-to-door delivery, air freight, and custom clearance. It gives customers a one-stop solution for international shipments. So businesses in Malaysia outside of Klang Valley major ports such as Westport, Paklang, Tanjung Pelepas, and Penang Port taps into the global market with a full logistic support from UPS. The last logistic activity practiced by UPS is custom brokerage and compliance are essential to UPS International Logistics Service, helping businesses navigate global trade with ease. UPS offers a range of solutions to streamline cross-border shipments, reduce delays, and ensure compliance with regulations. UPS handles custom clearance for air, ocean, and ground shipments using automated systems and centralized processing to speed up the process and cut costs. This process advantages UPS to save time and efficiency because UPS handles custom clearance as part of their shipping package. Companies don't need to separately engage a custom broker or manage complicated paperwork themselves, leads to saving time and lowering overhead. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
My name is Kaleshni Lakshmanadas and my matric card number is A25A4940. This is the conclusion of our project. United Parcel Service, which is UPS Integrated Supply Chain Network, advanced digital in technologies and overt commitments. UPS indicate that become one of the most efficient, innovative, and customer-driven logistic provider. UPS always prioritizes suitability and environmental conservation. UPS execute the eco-friendly logistics as evidenced by the introduction and alternative fuel vehicle, carbon neutral shipping initiatives, and initiatives to lower greenhouse gas emission because its investment in workforce development. Safety regulation and employee training, UPS is growing into a more effective business. Lastly, UPS proved that they can handle the requirements of modern logistics. It is because UPS constantly involved in a global events such as e-commerce, demand, changing customers' expectation, and disruption of supply chain. That's only from us. Thank you.